Imagine this, you've just landed in the Maldives, crystal blue water, you're seconds from paradise. But as the carousel spins, your suitcase is nowhere to be found. Everyone else has their bags. Yours, gone, lost, delayed, or maybe even stolen. It's not rare, it happens to millions of travelers every year. And most of them made one of these simple mistakes. So today, I'm giving you 10 essential tips to protect your luggage, including a final trick that even frequent flyers don't know. Trust me, you'll want to hear tip 1. Most travelers tag their luggage once and call it a day. But tags get ripped off, smeared, or soaked. And without any ID inside, your bag's as anonymous as a ghost. Do this instead. Place a card inside your bag with your full name, phone number, email, and destination address. Bonus: add a copy in an outer pocket in case it's opened by airport staff. Quick story. A friend of mine lost his bag in Amsterdam. Airline couldn't identify it for days. When they finally opened it and found his name inside, bag delivered the next day. We've all done it, shoved in just one more outfit, until the zippers strain like they're in a WWE match. But overstuffing your bag is asking for trouble. Zippers burst, bags split open on the tarmac. TSA can't reseal them after a check. Instead, use packing cubes or compression bags. Roll your clothes to save space. Always leave some breathing room. Think of it as packing room for souvenirs and sanity. Your bag isn't just carrying your clothes, it's protecting your trip. Soft-sided suitcases, they soak up water, get crushed, and tear easily. Hard shell equals armor. Shields from weather, pressure, and nosy thieves. Bonus points if it has double zippers and a TSA lock. Look for polycarbonate, smooth wheels, and a tough handle. You'll thank yourself during that airport sprint. If you use a regular lock, TSA might break it. Yup, cut right off, no apologies. TSA-approved locks let agents open your bag with a master key and reseal it without damage. Pro move: use combination locks, no keys to lose, and snap a photo of the combo just in case. Even with a lock, zippers can slide open or get caught. Here's how pros do it. Use a plastic zip tie to fasten zipper pulls, or use a tamper-evident tag that breaks if messed with. Bright colors help airport staff spot it, and you'll instantly know if someone's opened your bag. It's cheap, easy, and adds peace of mind. This one's big. Slip an Apple AirTag, tile, or GPS tracker into your suitcase. If your bag goes off course, you'll know before the airline does. Just open the app and boom. See exactly where it is. Lost in the wrong city? The tracker helps you track it down, or prove it's not your fault. Don't rely on baggage tags. Tech is your backup plan. Before you zip up your bag, take 3 quick photos. 1. The outside of the suitcase. 2. Any unique tags or stickers. 3. The contents, especially expensive or essential items. Why? If the airline loses your bag, this becomes proof for your insurance claim. Bonus tip: back those photos up to the cloud. Lost phone equals no problem. That little sticker or stub they hand you at check-in, that's your proof of ownership. Without it, you're stuck in airline purgatory. Take a photo of it immediately. Keep it in your notes app or wallet. No ticket equals no bag claim, and that means a big headache. Some bags are found. Others, gone for good. Can you afford to replace everything? Good travel insurance is a lifesaver. Look for plans with lost baggage coverage, delayed baggage reimbursement, and coverage for essentials like toiletries, clothes, and tech. Not all policies are equal. Read the fine print. Some exclude electronics or cap coverage at $250. Invest in a solid plan, especially for long-haul or international trips. Last but not least, check in early. The earlier your bag gets processed, the more time it has to be loaded properly. Late bags equal rushed handling, which means more chances for it to be lost. Here's the trick. Take a photo of your bag with the check-in agent handing it off. Bonus if the tag is visible. It's subtle but powerful proof if you ever need to challenge an airline's mistake. Every black suitcase looks the same. Avoid someone grabbing yours by mistake with these tricks. Use a neon strap or bold tag, stickers, duct tape, or even colorful tape work. The goal? Spot your bag instantly and prevent mix-ups. And trust me, baggage claim chaos is no joke. Losing your luggage isn't just frustrating, it can derail your whole trip. But with these tips, you're protected. Label your bag, pack smart, track, lock, and insure your stuff. And now you know the secrets that most travelers never learn until it's too late. Comment below, what's the worst luggage nightmare you've ever had? Like if this helped you. And subscribe for more travel hacks every week. Safe travels. And may your suitcase always show up on time.